to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are all the same, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first time I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you'd feel the way that I do. Wag pa natarapin ka. And it was for this word as you lie here by my side. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Please say you
Kada sa tingog.
love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. So today I'm finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. But nobody came through when I finally got to it, just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word, he handed me this letter. When I hope this finds the way to your heart, it said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a little love, yeah. Well, maybe I need a little care, yeah. Maybe somebody tries to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Please say you love me too, yeah. These three words, they can change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together.
Pagtingog ba yata?
Please say you love me.
Pero wala mo cipher kaya sige rag cellphone.
Till the end of time.
Cleopi. Kanta ni si Cleopi ron. Cleopi, ala.